Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a beetroot and orange hummus. Alright, let's go.
Preheat the oven at 190 Celsius. Bake the beetroots whole on a tray for around 1 hour or until soft all the way through. Let them cool down for at least 15 minutes and then peel them. Cut them in quarters and add the quarters to the blender. Add the zest of 1/4 of an orange and the juice of the full orange. Stir with the juice of 1 lime. You can always add more later if you think it needs more acidity. A bit of fresh chili to make it exciting but not quite hot. Grated ginger and grated garlic so you get the flavor but not the texture of them. It wouldn't be hummus without the aromatic and bitter taste of extra virgin olive oil and tahini sauce. And season with salt and blend until real smooth. Pour the hummus in a bowl and serve with your favorite blanco niño tortilla chips.
Let me see here. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Very good. Try it at home and let us know what you think.